Hey everyone, welcome on my YouTube channel, or welcome back if you're not new here. I am Gwenay, and in today's video we're back for another Christmas DIY. So in today's DIY we're going to create a decoration, a snowflake decoration. It's once again something I've seen on Pinterest, and I think it looks so cute yet so simple that I wanted to give it a try. Plus you can use things you already have in your house, and that's what we're gonna see right now, because for this DIY you'll need these from toilet paper. I think 2 won't be too much for this. Glue. For the version I'm planning to do, you'll need salt, the big one, and you'll also need glitter. I want to paint snow on my snowflakes, so it's up to you to see how you want your snowflake to look like. But for the version I'm planning to do, I think the very best is to pre-paint these as a base. You'll also need a pen, a rubber, and scissors. Now that you're equipped, let's go! Maybe more like this for this one. Oops. Okay, so I'm going to glue gun everything and I'll be back. I'm going to let this dry a little bit and I do the other side. So that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you're trying this DIY at home, feel free to share the results. And Merry Christmas and Happy New Year! I wish you all the best for this upcoming year. And as always, thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, sharing everything. And I shall see you guys in the next one. Bye!